Welcome back to Bobblehead George. Today, with the help of periodic presidents, we're going to take a look at POTUS number 4, James Madison. James Madison might have been small in stature, but he made up for it with an enormous IQ. He famously authored the Virginia Plan, garnering him the nickname Father of the Constitution. He also was the main author behind the Bill of Rights. Mr. Madison served as one of Virginia's delegates to the Confederation Congress. He also served in the United States House of Representatives, was Thomas Jefferson's Secretary of State, and all that before winning the election of 1808 and becoming our 4th president. When we take a look at James Madison's periodic cell, you can see it shaded purple. He was our 2nd president from the Democratic Republican Party. The number 4 in the top center of the cell indicates that Madison was our 4th president. The number 2 in the top right shows that he was elected twice to the presidency. His cell also indicates the years that he served as president, from 1809 to 1817. Madison was also on a $5,000 bill. Now don't go looking for one of those in your wallet. He first appeared on the $5,000 bill in the year 1918. The bill was last printed in 1934. At the end of his 2nd term, Thomas Jefferson, our 3rd president, stepped away from the presidency following the precedent that was set by George Washington, hand-selecting his successor and his longtime friend and Secretary of State, James Madison. By a large margin, James Madison easily won the election of 1808. The father of the Constitution was now the chief executive of our country. The onset of the War of 1812 was just days apart from the election of 1812. Madison's popularity had begun to wane, and the Federalist Party, in an attempt to unseat the incumbent, changed their platform and put out as many ideas and opinions as possible. The strategy backfired, and Madison won the election again by a large margin. Like Washington and Jefferson before him, Madison stepped down from the presidency after serving 2 terms, retiring to his Virginia home, Montpelier, with his wife Dolly. Madison passed away on June 28, 1836. He was 85 years old. If you want to learn more about the presidents, presidential elections, the Constitution, and so much more, be sure to visit Periodic Presidents at periodicpresidents.com. To see more original history content, click up here. And if you want to see the previous president, Thomas Jefferson, click right here. We'll see you next time.